Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, Mark Tuan with the song called My Life. So, this one is very easy to play. It's almost one down through the entire song for each chord. So, we love that. No need for any capo, and we have 5 chords to go through here. So, let's start with D. So, that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord is E. That is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Then we have E7. Okay, so that is open E, second A, open D, first G, third B, and open E. We have the F sharp minor, so you bar all strings on the second fret, and the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord is A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Alright, so we will have this intro to begin with. It's one down for these chords. First D, then the E7 chord. And here I try to stay on the B string as my last string, because I want to emphasize the 3rd fret on the B string here. Alright, so that's the way you're gonna play it. And the final chord is the F sharp minor. And here I do that as well, stay on the B string as my last string. So that makes me emphasize the 2nd fret B string, which I bar here. Okay, so D, E7, and F sharp minor, like this, and a short break, and then you do it for a second round. Alright, so that's the intro. So now to the verse. We have a chord progression that is D to E to F sharp minor and to A. We still play only one down for each chord, and you can choose there to play just one down. You can choose to play it a bit slower, so you really kind of make a slow downstroke like this, or you can also pluck the strings like that. So it's up to you there, okay? But one down on D, one down on E, one down on F sharp minor, and one down on A. Okay, for the second round you play one down on D, one down on E, and one down on F sharp minor. The next 2 chords from this chord progression, the A, this one is just a vocal part, so no need there to play it. It's just yeah, it's just a vocal. I haven't been laughing, okay, too much anymore. So that part, there's no A there, so it's just, and it's there on the F sharp minor, right? So in total, almost 2 rounds of D, E, F sharp minor, and A. Alright, that takes us to the pre-chorus. In the lyrics you say seem okay. So this one continues like we learned so far with D, E, F sharp minor, and A. Alright, so still only one down, so you basically play the same way for the pre-chorus as in the verse. And you play this chord progression for 2 rounds. And that takes us to the chorus. In the lyrics, I tried everything to please you. Okay, so we will kind of continue with the same chords almost, but we will use a strumming pattern. It's very easy. The pattern is down up for 4 times. So if we look at the D chord, that's the first chord. You play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You want to emphasize the third down, because there is the beat lies there. So this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So third down. Just down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, I think you get the idea, okay? So the chorus is 1 strum around for D, 1 strum around for E, 1 for F sharp minor, and 1 for A. On the second round, you play same there, 1 D, 1 E, 1 F sharp minor, and then you play 1 E7, just 1 down, and 1 down on A. Okay, that works as a bridge to the next part, which is the post-chorus parts. Okay, so I'm gonna play here meanwhile I'm speaking. So let's go. D, E, F sharp minor, A, D again, E, F sharp minor, and E7, A. Just 1 down the last 2, E7 and A. And that takes us to the post chorus. And this one you just continue with the same strumming that you played in the chorus. And you play the following chords: D, E, F sharp minor, A, D, E, F sharp minor, and A. Alright, so 2 rounds of the strumming. And that is pretty much what this song is all about, because everything else now is just repetition, almost. So we have a new verse there, second one, played in the same way. The same goes with the pre-chorus that comes right after, and even the chorus played in the same way. We have also the post-chorus. We looked at that right now, and that one, the second one, will be the same there as well. The only thing now is the outro part. Okay, so that is the absolute final part of the song. We have the chords D, E, and F sharp minor. Now you have only downs for this one. If you look at this as one chord progression, D, E, F sharp minor, you will play that for 4 rounds, and that is how this song ends. But you have only downs for this one, so 2 downs on D, 2 downs on E, and 4 downs on F sharp minor. This is one chord progression. You want to play that for 4 rounds. 2, 4, and that was the 4th round, let's say. So that pretty much ends this song from Mark Tuan called My Life. So I hope you enjoyed this. I did, and I appreciate all your support. I like to educate you, help you, and I am very pleased to do that as well. So thank you for making this possible to me, and I will try to do my best to please all your wishes here. So don't forget to wish on this channel for songs. I will bring them up on Wednesdays, the ones I feel that is great for you and that is playable. So thank you very much. See you soon. And don't forget, play tuned.